In this lecture, we are going to talk about the concrete implementation of enums. So for example, I'm going to create a new enum, as you can see. The name of the enum will be day. And as you can see, this is how we can define an enum. Public enum and the name of the enum. So instead of public class and the name of the class, we can define an enum with public enum and the name of the enum. And here we can enumerate the possible values. So in this case, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So these are the possible values as far as the days of the week is concerned. So how to use an enum? In the application.java, we can print out, for example, the enum. So we can print out day.friday, and if we run the application and print it out, then Friday is going to be printed out. We can do something like this, that day, for example, Monday is equals to day.monday. It's more or less the same, so we can print out Monday and it's going to print out Monday as well. We can iterate through the given enumeration. So for day D, as far as the day values are concerned, so with the help of these values we can get the possible values we have defined here as a one-dimensional array. Okay, let's try to do something like this. So as far as the values method is concerned, as you can see, it's going to return a one-dimensional array of day type. Okay, so values, and we can print out the D. So if we save it, then we iterate through all the possible days, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we are able to print it out. What's crucial that we are able to define an enum within a given class. So here, for example, we can define enum season. Okay, and we can define the values as we have seen with days. So spring, summer, autumn, and winter. So again, we have defined season as an enum within a given class, and we can use exactly the same manner. So we are able to print out the season.spring. Okay, something like this. It's going to be the spring. We can iterate through the given enum. So season as season values, and we can print out the given value itself, spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And we can use a switch statement. So for example, public static void season method that's going to get a season as an argument. Okay, and we are able to switch on the given season, and we can define that case spring, we would like to print out that this is spring. Then case autumn, we can print out this is autumn. As far as winter is concerned, we can print out this is winter. Finally, in case of summer, we can print out that this is summer. And of course, we can define the default values. So whenever the season is not spring, not autumn, not winter, and not summer, then the default is going to be called. I'm going to call not sure about the season. And of course, sorry for that, we have to use break. Whenever we are using switch statement, we have to use break after every case. So something like this, here, then here, and here as well. So if we call this season method, season.autumn, for example, let's save it and let's run it. This is autumn, so it is going to be called. If we use it on summer, for example, then this is summer. So this is how we can use an enum within a given class. This is how we can use enum outside a given class. So when we define the given enum type in a distinct Java file, and this is how we can use enums with switch statements. So that's all about enums. Thanks for watching.